Hello, today we are going to learn how to create a graph in Microsoft Excel. First, open up the application, then put in your graph into the sheet in an organized data table. So as you can see here, I have my data table all set up. Now highlight the data you want to make a graph out of. Click on Recommended Charts to see the most recommended chart by Microsoft based on your data table. If you cannot find this, you have to go to Insert, then click on this. So in these recommended charts, once you select your choice, for example, I'll select this, you can change the dimensions. So you have this graph here. If you want to make it 2D, then you're fine. But if you want 3D, click on Change Chart Type and click on 3D Clustered Column. Here you have two options. So I will select this one. So click OK. Now in the drop-down menu, you can choose any style you want. So I think I will go with this one. This will also work if you use the 2D option. Now if you do not like these colors that are placed here, you can always change the theme using change colors. Right now it's set on this one, but you can always change to this or this or this. So if you do not like any of those themes, then you can always change it individually. To do that, click on the bar you want to change, click right click and click on Format Data Series. Now click on this icon and change the color to any color you want. For example, I'll pick green. Okay, that's a bad green. This green. Now you can change the border too. Right now it's set on orangey red and that doesn't really suit the green. So I'll change that to black. That's a little better. Now you can do that for each and every one of these. So I'll change this to red and I can change this to purple and this to blue. You can choose any color you want. Now once you're done with picking out your colors, you can add the axis labels. Select the chart and click on Add Chart Element. Hover over Axis Titles and choose one of these axis titles. I'll start off with the primary vertical. So over here now you can see there is an axis title and you can name it whatever you want. So I'll name it blank Y axis title. You can do the same with the other axis. Now here I will change this to blank x-axis title. So you can put any titles you want for these, and you don't always have to have a clustered column chart. If you select two data points like down here, then you will end up with a graph like this. So it doesn't necessarily have to have all four of these values. It can have just one, depending on how many slots you select. Once you finish this and once you finish all the coloring, if you want to print this directly, click the chart, click on File, Print, and then make sure this is selected on Print Selected Chart. Otherwise, it'll print the other items. Now here I have the chart, so I can go on and click Print. So it says my printer is offline, but that's fine. If you want to put it into an online document like Google Docs, just go to Snipping Tool. So click Start menu and search up Snipping Tool, or it might already be in the Start menu in the first. So now once you have Snipping Tool, you can go ahead, click on the mode and make sure it's on rectangular snip. Now you click on New and drag your cursor over the graph. Once you have this graph, you can click Save As and save it wherever you want. So I will save it on my desktop, wherever that is, yours. Once I have this on my desktop, I can go into my Google Docs, click on Insert Image, and select the image from my desktop. So as you can see here, it's a little blurry, but that's fine. it will all average out once you print it out. So you can change the size, change the rotation. So if I want to make it wacky, I can put it like this. Or you can just keep it nice and neat. And you can change the wrap text or break text so you can move it around a little easier. So now we are finished. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed watching.